Kriya Servus mga kabayan and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about our canary birds. Since you enjoyed the first video about them, I'm providing an update on our feathered friends. If you haven't watched the first video featuring our canary birds, you can view it here. One of our canaries is 6 years old. With the right care, canaries can live between 10 and 12 years. Our canaries have the freedom to fly around the room, as you can see. Among the birds, there are sometimes disputes over the territory, but afterward, they are the best friends again. This is our 6-year-old canary named Pitak. Canaries are easy to care for. The cage should be cleaned daily from droppings, and fresh seeds and sand should be changed regularly. Additionally, they are given vitamins through the water, provided with fresh water, and of course, given fresh salads and apples. It's important to cut their claws so they don't get stuck in the cage and hurt themselves. I hope I was able to entertain you again, my friends and kabayan. And if you want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching mga kabayan. God bless us all and see you next time.